Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. What to do? So friends, in previous video we all are know about what is coronavirus and their symptoms and needed prevention which is important for curing coronavirus. Now today we will discuss with the myths of coronavirus. World Health Organization has released a list busting myths about coronavirus. The coronavirus means COVID-19 is affecting 166 countries and territories around the world. The number of cases is increasing, therefore WHO has released a list of myth busters in order for people to take the right precaution and not fear against it. So friends, we discuss all the myths of coronavirus one by one. Let's start it. So first myths of coronavirus is COVID-19 virus cannot transmitted in summer weather condition. No, it's not true. COVID-19 virus transmitted in all weather condition. The COVID-19 virus can be spread in all areas regardless of climate. Adopt protective measure if you live in or travel to an area reporting COVID-19. The best way to protect yourself against COVID-19 is frequently cleaning your hands. Second myth of COVID-19 is taking a hot bath can be prevent coronavirus. No, it's not true. Hot bath cannot prevent COVID-19. Taking a bath with extremely hot water can be harmful as it can burn you. Third one, spraying alcohol or chlorine all over your body kill the new coronavirus. No, it's not true. Spraying alcohol or chlorine will not kill viruses that have already entered your body. Spraying such substances can be harmful to clots or mucous membrane, example mouth or nose. Next one is the new coronavirus affect only older people. No, it's not true. People of all ages can be infected by the new coronavirus. Older people and people with pre-existing medical condition such as asthma, diabetes, heart disease appear to be more vulnerable to becoming severely ill with the virus. Next one is, are antibiotics effective in preventing and treating the new coronavirus? Answer of this is no. Antibiotics do not work against viruses. It only works against bacteria. The new coronavirus, that is COVID-19, is a virus. Therefore, antibiotics should not be used as a means of prevention or treatment. Next one is 5G mobile networks spread COVID-19. Answer is no. Viruses cannot travel on radio waves mobile networks. COVID-19 is spreading in many countries. They do not have 5G mobile network. Coronavirus spread through mosquito bites. No, it's not true. To date, there has been no information nor evidence to suggest that the new coronavirus could be transmitted by mosquitoes. The new coronavirus is a respiratory virus which spreads primarily through droplets generated when an infected person coughs or discharges from the nose. To protect yourself, clean your hands frequently. Exposing yourself to the sun or temperature higher than 25 degrees Celsius protect you from COVID-19. Answer is no. You can catch COVID-19 no matter how sunny or hot the weather. Is countries with hot weather have reported cases of COVID-19. Next one is COVID-19 is transmitted through houseflies. No. To date, there is no evidence or information to suggest that the COVID-19 virus transmitted through houseflies. The virus that causes COVID-19 spreads primarily through droplets generated when an infected person coughs or speaks. You can also become infected by touching a contaminated surface and then touching your eyes, nose or mouth before washing your hands. Last one is thermal scanners can detect COVID-19. No, it's not true. Thermal scanners are effective in detecting people who have a fever. They cannot detect people who are infected with COVID-19. There are many causes of fever. Call your healthcare provider if you need assistance or seek immediate medical care if you have fever and live in area with malaria or dengue. I hope you all are understand all the myths of coronavirus and protect yourself against COVID-19. I will meet you in next interesting video. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. And don't forget press the bell icon for our latest video.